Fastow flew the entire group to the Mexican resort of Los Cabos for a midweek
It
celebration.
snowed 2 days ago.
Michael Copper and Bill Dotson were there. So were Ben Glisson and his wife, Kathy Land, Christina.
Holy shit, look at that Ryder truck. Let's hope the camera can see it.
A deeply troubled power project Enron was building in Brazil. The plant, which was being built in phases.
Yep, it snowed 2 days ago, Kia. Kia, what? Doesn't snow in South Korea? I don't know if it does or not. Ah, look at that van.
Found themselves.
Holy crap, it's blocking your windshield. The second one today.
The company
Give me
announced a
everyone.
2-for-1 split, its first since 1993. For the year, Enron
Nissan
stock
drivers.
startling 58%.
I thought it was a Nissan at first, but look at that. I don't know what the law is in California, but here you gotta wipe that shit off.
An organization called First Call, which blended them
Toyota
together to
turd. Now we got another one of those Kia drivers.
Six executives made over $10 million. In 2001...
Oh, look at that guy up there. Wow. I think that's one of the worser ones today.
Some wondered if Skilling had bothered to contemplate a world without real competitors. Later, he told Skilling,
I'll save this because I'm
can't make money
closer
trading
now.
with yourself. An Enron trader named Jeff Shankman once had a different view of the buildup. It was a monster hooked onto the
Oh
side
man,
of
snow's falling off of there.
documents that any big investor could obtain. And some did just that. As often happens,
That
with the
guy
stock
over there.
makes a meteoric rise, Enron had caught the attention of several short sellers.
Okay, it snowed 3 days ago. You have plenty of time to clear that snow off your roof.
Committed EES to supplying natural gas and electricity at preset prices. It was a prime responsibility
2 days
of
ago.
the EES trading.
2 cars ahead. It snowed on Monday. Today is Thursday. You have no excuses to get that big hunk of snow off your roof.
And provide approximately 200 million.
Oh boy, another mail truck.
Dramatically, and bury it in the wholesale business.
Okay, I'm just gonna say this. If you can't clean the roof, can't reach that high, drive a car that's smaller.